Sell school notes. Selling copies of school notes is one of the easiest ways for students to make money fast. When selling school notes, make sure you aren't committing plagiarism or academic misconduct. For example, do not disclose homework assignments or tests. Similarly, never sell or distribute copyrighted material. A safe bet is to sell notes containing general but insightful information about a subject, such as modules, flashcards, and study guides. Also, be careful not to present your notes as facts but simply as supplementary study documents. Aside from student or alumni message boards and community forums, here are some of the best places to sell school notes and earn spare cash on. Nexus Notes. They offer a 50% commission per set of notes sold. Note Exchange. Sell notes for $5 minus $40 and earn a 100% commission if you become an affiliate. NotesGen. With over 5.5 million users, this India-based platform accepts handwritten notes and presentation slides. Note prices range between 100 rupees minus 1000 rupees. OwnClass. Earn up to 20% of recurring revenue when someone subscribes to your content.